Welcome to in front of me REALME C31, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. And as you can see now, just create the new home screen folder on our device home screen. By the same way, we can add here more applications if you want. Here we can give a name to our folder, for example, enter the apps, click OK here. And as you can see, we just successfully renamed our folder. Here we can also move this folder on the screen, just hold it and drag it. For example, on the left down corner, also we can move the folders between the screens. And just by the same way, we can create a new screen with this folder if you want. Also, we can go back here, and to remove some applications from the folder, hold it for a while and drag it here on the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want just to remove this application from the home screen, drag it here on the left upper corner to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application also here in apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.